Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing the ultimate biohacking trend, molecular hydrogen water. We are specifically looking at the Flask Hydrogen Water Bottle. This device uses high-tech electrolysis to infuse your water with H2 gas, promising to fight inflammation, boost energy, and act as a powerful antioxidant. But at its premium price point, we have to be skeptical. Is this a revolutionary health tool, or are you paying hundreds of dollars for water? We are breaking down the science so you know if this is a real health boost or completely overrated. The concept behind hydrogen water is simple, and it starts at the molecular level. When we exercise, stress, or simply age, our bodies produce reactive oxygen species, often called free radicals. These highly unstable molecules cause oxidative stress, which leads to inflammation and cellular damage. Molecular hydrogen acts as a highly selective antioxidant. The theory is that when you drink hydrogen water, the tiny H2 molecules can permeate cell membranes where other antioxidants cannot, neutralizing only the most damaging free radicals, without disturbing beneficial signaling molecules. This selective action supposedly leads to reduced inflammation, faster muscle recovery, improved cognitive function, and better energy production by protecting the mitochondria. This sounds incredible, but it all depends on whether the Echo Flask can actually deliver a therapeutic dose of that H2 gas. This is why the Echo Flask is considered premium. Hydrogen water bottles use an electrolysis process to split H2O into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Cheap models often mix unwanted byproducts back into the water. The Echo Flask uses solid polymer electrolyte and proton exchange membrane technology. This is key. The PEM acts as a barrier, physically separating the less desirable byproducts like chlorine and ozone, ensuring that you only get pure H2 dissolved in your drinking water. The Echo Flask generally promises to produce water with a hydrogen concentration that exceeds 1.6 ppm, parts per million. For comparison, the amount used in most promising clinical studies starts around 0.5 to 1.6 ppm. It is a convenient, portable solution. You can generate a fresh batch of hydrogen-rich water in minutes, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. The technology used is legitimate. It is producing a cleaner concentration of hydrogen than many budget bottles. But now let's look at the ultimate catch. The biggest reason to pause before you buy is that the science, while promising, it is not conclusive for general health. While there are hundreds of in vitro and animal studies showing benefits, large-scale, long-term human clinical trials are still relatively sparse. The benefits are proven primarily in niche areas, like protecting cells during radiation therapy, but not definitively across the board for a healthy population. Hydrogen is a tiny, highly volatile gas. Once the bottle generates the water, the H2 begins to escape immediately. You have a very limited window, often less than 30 minutes, to drink the water before the therapeutic concentration drops significantly. The Echo Flask is a significant upfront investment. If you are already prioritizing a diet rich in traditional, proven antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and polyphenols from fruits and vegetables, the marginal benefit of the hydrogen water may not justify the high financial cost. So, is the Echo Flask Hydrogen Water Bottle a real health boost or overrated? My final verdict is it is an overrated luxury for the average person, but a real boost for the biohacker. It is not a scam because the technology is real and the Echo Flask uses superior non-toxic SPE or PEM tech to deliver a measurable concentration of H2. However, it is overrated because the scientific certainty does not yet justify the high price point for general wellness.